Yeah.
It's weird. If you're a Hoover uncomfortable looking.
Yeah. No shit. Yeah. Yeah. You just make mega ramps so you can bridge.
Right.
You to walk right through the door. I'm waiting for you to walk right through the door. But you know, never coming back.
Oh yeah!
She's videotaping me.
Ever come back. Well, you traveled all this way so you can fade. Yeah, you work like a dog, you're just a slave. Well, you don't look once and you don't think twice, and if you think once more, it won't be nice. Just take your time, day by day. Oh, if it's a time and a place for you to go, I will surely forget. Time will let you know I'm waiting for you to walk right through the door. I'm waiting for you to walk right through the door. But you know, never coming back. You can't never come back. You know, never coming back. You can't ever come back.
Hello, so we are back, and I'm back. We're at Mark's apartment right now. We're in Vegas, and it is day 2 here. So today's, what is it? It's Saturday. And we just got back from hanging out on the strip. Oh hey creep. We just got back from hanging out on the strip. We're gonna go downtown tonight. I think we're gonna try to go to the Stratosphere, but everything is super expensive, and now the boys are making me feel super uncomfortable because I'm sitting on Mark's balcony talking to myself. So yeah, that's that. Bye.